Maintaining a well-manicured lawn takes plenty of effort, especially when you have to shove a bulky lawnmower around. That is why it is a good idea to invest in the best cordless lawn mower, which is easy to maneuver and will not have you worrying about toxic emissions from oil and gas, running out of fuel, or tripping over the power cord. What is more, cordless models are portable enough to tidy every corner of your backyard and are quiet and low maintenance. There are some important features to consider before making your purchase. You need to choose a battery that recharges quickly and lasts long between charges. Also, known as deck size, a wide cutting width cuts more grass in fewer passes. Grass discharge options include mulching the clippings or disposing it in an attached bag or form a side chute. Adjustable height avoids cutting the grass too low or high, while modest weight is easy to maneuver. Lastly, a self-propelling motor improves mobility, and an extended warranty secures you against any future foreseen damages. We have listed the top 5 cordless lawn mowers and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. Joe MJ401C-PRO. Rated as the best cheap cordless lawn mower, this EDL approved model is powered by a built-in 28-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery which trims lawns of up to 10,000 square feet on a single charge. The battery has a total of 1,000 charge cycles, with a single full charge generating 25 minutes of mowing time. It takes 4 hours to charge it fully, and a push-button LED indicator displays the battery level. It features a rust-resistant steel blade with a cutting width of 14 inches and 3 different mowing heights ranging from 1.18 to 2.52 inches. A safety key is inserted and the safety switch pressed to ignite the lawn mower, while the trigger handle is squeezed to steer it into your desired direction. The grass clippings are collected in a detachable rear bag with a capacity of 10.6 gallons. This lawn mower takes long to charge and has a short runtime. It also lacks a mulching option. However, it is a suitable option for small and mid-sized lawns, which can be mowed in less than an hour. It is light enough to maneuver in every yard corner and affordable enough to equip you with all the basic mowing necessities without breaking the bank. Number 4. EcoPower Plus LM2133 21-inch Select Cut Mower. When it comes to upgrading a lawn care kit, the EcoPower Plus LM2133 might just be the ticket. This 56-volt cordless lawn mower features a multi-blade cutting system that allows it to cut with the performance of a gas lawn mower with the efficiency and eco-friendliness of a battery model. There's a lot to like about this feature-rich 21-inch model. A 7-position height adjustment lever raises or lowers all 4 wheels at once, while the 3-in-1 clipping management allows users to choose between the chute, mulching, or bagging clippings. The 5.0 Ah batteries offer up to 45 minutes of runtime, while a second battery port can double that. Should mowing take place early in the morning or late in the evening, onboard LEDs help you light the way. Keep in mind that this model does weigh nearly 80 pounds, although the ergonomic padded handle collapses for easy storage. Number 3. Worx WG779. We bet it is the dual batteries, dual port charger with onboard power test battery level indicators, and the varied height range which tip the scales for this best rated cordless lawn mower to win the confidence of both buyers and retailers. Most models allow you to recharge one battery at a time unless you buy an extra charger, or even then you can only operate with one battery at a time. This lawnmower eliminates the inconvenience and extends the runtime to 40 minutes by having two 20-volt 4Ah lithium-ion batteries operating at once. A single lever lets you adjust the height to 6 various positions with a minimum and maximum height of 1.5 and 3.5 inches respectively. With a cutting deck of 14 inches as well as mulching, bagging, and rear discharge options, it provides everything you need to keep up to 5,000 square feet lawns well manicured. The handle on the grass bag allows for easy disposal of the clippings, while the indicator alerts you when the bag is full. We like the quiet operation and the compact size, which makes this push mower easy to steer. Buyers find it quieter than a hair dryer or vacuum cleaner. The handles are padded with foam to provide a comfortable grip and prevent bruises, and the collapsible handle reduces the unit's footprint during storage. You can purchase the model without the charger and batteries at a lower cost. Number 2. Snapper XT 82-volt Max Cordless Electric Lawn Mower Kit. Snapper's XT 82-volt Max Cordless Electric Lawn Mower Kit is worth a look for anyone worried about extending their runtime without sacrificing power. Featuring Snapper's 82-volt batteries, this model includes 2Ah batteries. While each battery has 45 minutes of runtime for a total of 90 minutes, the rapid charger allows users to tap into third battery when needed. This push mower has a 21-inch cutting width and comes with a clipping chute, a mulching cover, and a bagger users can choose between. It features a 7-position height adjustment accomplished with just one lever. An ergonomically designed handle is wrapped in padded foam, while the push button start and the throttle bar help achieve a comfortable and easy mowing experience. This mower has a vertical storage option, although it weighs 72 pounds. Number 1. Greenworks Pro 80-volt 21-inch Cordless Lawn Mower. DIY landscapers looking for a quality cordless lawn mower with a healthy balance of runtime, power, and charging time should look into the Greenworks GLM801601 cordless push lawn mower. Running on Greenworks 80-volt system, this model matches gas-powered models with up to 5 horsepower. The 2 Ah batteries combine for 60 minutes of runtime, while the rapid charger takes 30 minutes to recharge one, offering nearly endless power if managed correctly. This 21-inch cordless lawn mower has plenty of other features as well, like a clipping chute, a mulching cover, and a bag for clipping management. It also has 7 incremental settings for height that allows users to adjust all 4 wheels at once with a single lever. Also, the GLM801601 features a push start button, an ergonomic padded handle, and a throttle lever that shuts down the mower when released. While it does weigh 80 pounds, the handle folds and provides support for stable vertical storage. What to consider when choosing the best cordless lawn mower? The aroma of fresh cut grass is a fan favorite, but the smell and noise of gas-powered lawn mowers aren't always a hit. The best cordless lawn mowers solve that issue and more. Before purchasing one of these electric mowers, there are quite a few things to know and consider, and the following sections will point them out. Types. Lawn mowers aren't simple as they used to be. Modern battery-powered lawn mowers come in a few varieties, and choosing the right type depends on the lawn and how involved the users want to be in the mowing process. Push mowers operate like traditional lawn mower, except that they feature electric motors, unlike mowers with gasoline-powered engines. Once push mowers are started, the motor runs the blade and the users push the mower across the lawn. They're usually relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver. Self-propelled mowers look just like push mowers and require the user to operate them, but they do most of the pushing themselves. There are usually 2 motors in this case, one for blade and one for the drive wheels. Self-propelled mowers can be a bit of a handful when mowing under bushes or making tight turns, but they're much less effort to operate over the rest of the lawn. Robotic mowers have only become popular in recent years as the technology they use is still relatively fresh. They operate like robotic vacuums, mowing the user's lawn without any input or guidance from the user. Other than checking the property for obstructions or debris, the user can let the robotic mower go about its job on its own. Power. The best cordless lawn mowers come in a range of battery power levels, and this is usually determined by the voltage. The higher the voltage, the more powerful the mower. This determines whether a mower will bog down in thicker grass, cut tall grass effectively, and make it through a yard that isn't completely dry. The lower end of the power range is around 20 volts, and these models usually use one battery. They're suitable for small yards with rather thin grass. Models with power ratings between 40 volts and 80 volts tend to use multiple smaller batteries or one large one, and they are excellent for matching the capability of a basic push mower. There are even models with as much as 120 volts of power that outperform most gas push mowers, though they're still a bit rare. Battery runtime. Each cordless lawn mower has its own battery ecosystem with different voltages and imperatives. Because this is relative, this isn't an exact guideline to look for when choosing a model with the best runtime. In general, most of the top models feature runtimes between 45 and 60 minutes. Some accomplish that with higher voltage models with low amp hour ratings, while others achieve it with lower voltage models with high amp hour ratings. There are models that achieve 90 minutes of runtime, but they're not all that common. If runtime is a concern, it's best to purchase additional batteries and ensure they're charged for when you need to swap them out. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.